am going to teach factorization. So we take factorization by using identities. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y, x minus y. Means when the given algebraic expression is binomial, then it can be expressed as the product of the sum and the difference of the terms. Before applying these identities, we watch three things. One thing, the given expression should be a binomial. Second thing, minus sign between two terms. And third thing, the two terms should be perfect square of a constant or variable. Here we take a sum 121a square minus 1. So this is a binomial and minus sign is also between them, and 121 is perfect square of 11 and a square is perfect square of a, and 1 is also perfect square of 1. So factor of this 11a minus 1 and 11a plus 1. So this is the factor of this given algebraic expression. We can write first term 11a plus 1 and second term 11a minus 1. Now we take second sum 63x square minus y square, x square y square minus 7. This is binomial and minus sign is also between them, but 63 and 7 is not a perfect square. So in this case we watch the common factor. Here common factor is 7. So we take 7 common. When we take 7 common, we divide it by 7 in these terms. So 7 divided by 63, 7 9 ja 63, x square y square minus 7 1 ja 7. Now we watch 9 is a perfect square of 3 and 1 is also a perfect square of 1, and x square and y square is perfect square of xy. So we can write as 3xy whole square minus 1 का होल स्क्वायर इज 7. अब देखिए 3xy और 1 दोनों ही परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, तो इसका फैक्टर हो जाएंगे 3xy प्लस 1, 3xy माइनस 1. We can write as 7 3xy plus 1 3xy minus 1. This is the factor of this algebraic expression. I hope you all understand. Thank you.